Fiber optic cables, the invisible lifelines of modern communication. In today's hyper-connected world, fiber optic cables are the unsung heroes powering our digital lives. But what exactly are they? And why are they so crucial? Fiber optic cables are thin, flexible strands of glass or plastic that transmit data using light signals. Their structure is like a bundle of hair, thin fibers, each capable of carrying a vast amount of information. This technology has revolutionized communications, replacing traditional copper wires in many applications. Telecommunications, long-distance phone calls, and high-speed internet connections. Fiber optic cables play a vital role. They can transmit voice, video, and data over vast distances with minimal signal loss. For instance, when you stream a 4K movie from the other side of the globe, fiber optics ensure smooth playback by quickly delivering the large amount of data required. In fact, they can carry data at speeds close to the speed of light, making real-time communication across continents a breeze. Medical field in medicine, fiber optic cables are used in endoscopes. These are slender, flexible tubes equipped with a light source and a camera at the tip. By transmitting light through the fibers, doctors can illuminate and visualize the inside of the human body, such as the digestive tract or the lungs, allowing for early disease detection and minimally invasive surgeries. Fiber optic sensors are also used in various industries. They can detect changes in temperature, pressure, and strain. In larger scale construction projects like bridges, fiber optic sensors embedded in the structure can monitor any signs of stress or deformation, ensuring the safety of the infrastructure. In conclusion, fiber optic cables are the backbone of modern communications and have far-reaching applications. As technology continues to advance, we can expect them to play an even more significant role in our daily lives.